Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know that transferring assets like Stellar between wallets is a must-have skill. Today, we're breaking down how to send Stellar from your Phantom wallet to your Arculus wallet. This process is straightforward, but as always, double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. Open your Phantom wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, ensure that your Stellar tokens are visible in your portfolio. Phantom is user-friendly, so navigate to the Assets tab and select Stellar from your list of holdings. Next, hit the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Arculus wallet and copy the receiving address. It's usually found in the Settings or Wallet Details section. Paste that address into the Phantom wallet send field. Don't forget to specify the amount of Stellar you want to transfer. It's a good idea to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the transaction details. Check the address, the amount, and any fees displayed. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Phantom wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. This step is crucial to prevent any accidental sends. Now, head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh it. You should see your Stellar tokens arriving shortly, depending on network speed. If it takes a bit longer, don't panic. Blockchain transactions can sometimes take a few minutes. A quick tip: always use a secure internet connection for these transfers to avoid any hacking risks. Also, if you're new to this, test with a small amount first. There you have it. That's how you send Stellar from Phantom to Arculus in 2025. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.